Hello everyone and welcome back to another Millionaire special. In this video, we'll be doing a quick update on the Pancake Bunny project and the Bunny token to see what has happened, why the crash has happened, and why Pancake Bunny right now is at a huge, deep discount. But before we start, like always, we kindly invite you to go ahead and join our growing community and family by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell button as well. Now, also, I'd like to mention that we're getting close to 2,000 subscribers, so thank you all for your support. And remember that at 2,000 subscribers, we're gonna be rolling out the Patreon page. So with that page, you can join to support our channel, to support me directly, and also you'll be able to follow the trades that I do. So all the buy trades, sell trades, take profit, staking, unstaking, everything, you can get access to all of that and basically get rich with me, so we can get rich, grow richer together. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. And now let's go ahead and get started. So we're here on CoinGecko. Scrolling down, we see shock in the price right now at $24. So what happened? What the hell happened? As you can see here, the price absolutely went crashing. So going back to 90 days, we do see the price reached almost 500, so all-time highs, $512 about a month ago. Today, price is $24. So, the price got destroyed. All the gains have evaporated. But what happened? So, there were three main reasons that I think has happened and caused this crash. So the first one is actually Pancake Swap. So taking a look on Pancake Swap, the whole reason why Pancake Bunny existed was to help cake lovers get more cake. So that's clearly stated on their website. Bunny helps cake lovers get more cake. So most of the people, they saw that there was a high return here, and they would just stake their cake tokens. They would get cake and bunny tokens in return. And as you can see, the percentages are high, but not as high as they used to be. Now the percentages are lower. However, what happened is recently Pancake Swap also started offering auto compounding. So if we head over to Pancake Swap, we do see here that they have also the same stuff. You can stake cake to earn more cake, and the percentage is 135%. Auto staking, which is the same thing that is being done on Bunny, except here the rates are a bit lower. So here you have 135%. However, on Bunny you have 139%, but there's a catch. This 139, they're divided. They divided into two parts. So you're gonna get 97% cake in return, and also 42% in bunny tokens. So it was an attractive thing for many people. They used to put their money here. And then that's the first reason why the price started dipping. So the price started dipping because of Pancake Swap offering a competitive solution that took some of the market share. So as you can see here, in the last 90 days, you can see the price started dropping little by little. And then there was also the crash that happened. So crash in the crypto markets that even pulled this down even further. So as you can see here, it went down from the $300 range all around to close to 250. And then the last thing that led to this huge discount is actually a hack that happened. So Pancake Bunny got hacked, and as you can see here, there's also some links. So Bunny has suffered a flash loan attack on May 20th. So going back to the charts, we do see it here. We see this is what happened on May 20th. The price went all the way from $150 to $7 at the lows, and then it started going back up and down, and now it seems like it's stabilizing at $24. And guess what this means? Well, this looks like a huge discount for us, so it's a great opportunity to get in at this price. You know, you're getting it at a discount. And to put things in perspective, 6 months ago that was the all-time lows, so $2.82. So it still hasn't collapsed for the people who think that it collapsed. But the good news is that Pancake Bunny are actually kind of reimbursing the people who got affected. So they're paying out for the people that got affected by this exploit, the flash loan. So let's take a look on the Twitter page to see, get more info on what happened. So on May 90th, this is the official Twitter feed for Pancake Bunny. They send, "Attention, Bunny fam. Our project has suffered a flash loan attack from an outside exploiter. This smells like a discount for me. I don't know about you, but I am excited when I see this kind of stuff. We will be posting a post-mortem in-depth analysis, but for the time being, we would like to update the community as to how this happened. Number one, the hacker used PancakeSwap to borrow a huge amount of BNB. The hacker then went on to manipulate the price of USDT BNB as well as Bunny BNB. The hacker ended up getting a huge amount of Bunny through this flash loan. So someone did a hack, he hacked it, you know, it got a lot of money out, and now we have a huge discount at our hands. So what are we gonna do? Well, of course, we're gonna get in and we're gonna buy loads of it. Now, yes, of course, this is extremely risky, it's still risky, but I mean, this is not a rug pull, right? You already see that they are giving back money for the people. So now this is the information. You know, I'm not gonna bore you about the details of exactly what the guy did. We're not sure what happened, but the flash loan happened, people lost money, then people got scared, people started selling, and the price went down all the way here. So let's take a look. Also, kindly read the post-mortem solution here. Okay, what is the post-mortem? Post-mortem, okay, go forward plan, Binance, funny Binance. About the exploit, plan objectives, plan for operations, compensation pool. Yes, this is the compensation pool. So they are doing this P-Bunny compensation pool 2. So this is what they did basically. They have taken a snapshot of all the holders that were holding Bunny before the time of the attack, right? And what they're gonna do is they will compensate the original holders for the difference that happened in the market cap at the time of this exploit, and they're issuing this P-Bunny. So in the compensation pool, people are gonna be compensated using this P-Bunny, and then also they have plans, big plans for burning. So that's why we believe that the price can go much higher once they start their burning process. So it's a good sign. Why? Because they are giving money back. They didn't say, oh well, there was a hack and too bad. They have given so far $5 million have been paid in this P-Bunny compensation pool. So now what do we think? What should we do? What are we doing, and how can you benefit from this? So there is no great rewards without great risks. So when we see these numbers minus 95% in a day, of course a lot of people got destroyed right here. But for us, from the beginning, we didn't actually buy any Bunny tokens. What we recommend you do is buy actually the cake tokens. Buy as much as you can, you know, as much as you can. We mean it when we say as much as you can. So just take out as much money as you can, you know, put it in cake, buy the cake tokens, and then come here and stake it. Okay, stake it in this auto compounding 139% cake. And what you need to do is that you cannot withdraw. You have to keep it for at least 3 days until you withdraw. But you're only gonna be withdrawing the portion of the cake token. So just withdraw this portion every 3 days and leave the Bunny. Just forget about it. You know, put whatever bunny you get right now. It's not going to be worth selling the bunny. You're just getting it right now at a very, very low price. So 30%, 42% of your money you're going to be getting in bunny, but you're going to be keeping it. You're going to be keeping that bunny for a while. Why? Because the price is going up. So by doing this, you are also mitigating the risk on yourself, because you're just having the cake tokens, and cake also has a massive upside potential. So that's what I'm doing, exactly what I'm telling you to do right now. Get the cake, put the cake here, take out the money that you get from the cake. You can just transfer it out to Pancake Swap, do whatever you want with it. You can stake it for cake again, stake it for something else, you know, take it out for trading. You can put it on Binance and start trading with it, or buy any random coins that that you feel are gonna be giving you a lot of money. So that's it. This is the quick update we wanted to give you guys. Remember, this is a huge discount right now. I mean, you just see it. Look at this. Look at this parabolic. It's going parabolic the other direction, which is what we're happy about. We're happy to see this kind of moves, because it means, for us, means cash, and everybody loves cash. We're all here to make money. So yeah, it is a great opportunity to get in. We don't think that Pancake Bunny is gonna go anytime soon. It's here to stay. However, to reduce your risk, because they got hacked, you know, they might get hacked again. You never know. They're trying to fix their stuff, but you never know what can happen. So putting the cake in the cake token will reduce your risk, and also you'll be able to accumulate the bunny token at a very reduced price. Imagine this going back to $200, $300. You're buying it at 20. That's already just a 10x of free money that you're getting by staking your cake tokens, which are also gonna be doing well. So with that being said, remember guys, this is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors in any way, shape, or form. And this video is made only for entertainment purposes and educational purposes. And you should always do your own due diligence before investing into any asset class. And also remember to diversify your portfolio. And with that being said, we hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.